Sunday in Nuku, Hiva, in Marquesas. I tweaked my knee yesterday badly again, like I had done earlier before I got to the Galapagos. That's the reason we went to the Galapagos. So I've waited an extra day to leave the Marquesas and head towards Tahiti by way of the Tuamotus. Buddy boating with Barry on White Shadow. He's going to stop at Whakarava. In the Tuamotus, I think I'm going to continue on to Papeete. But that's still a week away, you know, by the time we get down there, so I may change my mind. We don't know. We don't know. Nobody knows. Who could possibly know? Leaving Nuku, Hiva. Don't feel good today. For some reason, I don't know if it's a bottle of wine from last night or just my nerves, but I'm just not feeling very good today. But it's time to go, so we're leaving. Nuku Hiva's behind me. I did it. The vane is steering. The sails are up. My knee hurts like hell, but I scampered around and did it. I got both sails up. I actually shook a reef out of the main too. Flying one single reef main and a full jib. Even though the wind's light, it balances better, so I think I've said that before. But we're on our way to Papeete. Oh, damn it. That is Oapo. About 20 miles away. I'm on the leeward side of it, but I didn't want to get too close because I was worried about a wind shadow right behind it. I hope the wind holds out here. It's really a nice sail today. It's been kind of a light breeze, but we're doing 4.5 knots, and it's really kind of flat and right on the right direction. The wind vane's steering. Yeah, it couldn't be more pleasant. This is what sailing should always be like. This is great. It's awesome. It's beautiful. The sun is setting on our first night at sea. Well, it's a day 2 from Nuku Hiva to Papeete. And sleep, of course. You know, it's always my problem. The first night out, it's hard for me to sleep. I maybe got 2 hours, so I'm kind of just dead today. It's a beautiful day, a light wind. Well, that's a big wave. You can tell how much we just rolled right there. But we still did 99 miles in the first 24 hours, so that's pretty good for this little boat. And me, you know, if we break 100, we're doing real good. So 99's okay. sunrise on day 3. Oh, the wind died. This is the trade winds. This is supposed to, this is the trade winds, from the heart of the trade winds. And it literally just died. I mean, there was a time in the middle of the night where the wind or the sea was like glass. I don't know what the hell, Eventually furled the jib completely and just let the main flop around so I could get some sleep. The jib crashing back and forth in the swell, it creates a lot of noise and a lot of strain on the forestay. So it's incredibly pretty, but frustratingly slow. If you hear any wind noise in the camera, it's just the roll of the swell. There's a slight breeze, but just not even enough to keep the sails full now. Oh, I got a couple hours sleep. And watches kind of went out the window because I'm just literally just sitting still out here, It's spectacularly beautiful, though, the sunrise. Breakfast consists of 2 hard-boiled eggs that I boiled before I left Nuku Hiva, 4 Ritz crackers, which I'm going to put some blackberry jam on, and an orange. Pretty proud of this breakfast, by the way. This is why you go sailing right here. It's just enough wind to keep the sails full, but there is no sound except the water. Occasional squeak from the wind vane, and the sail will pop every once in a while. It's just so beautiful. It's just incredible.